All right, guys, today we're putting the timing on hold because we're waiting for some tools to hold the exhaust cam gears in place so I can torque them correctly. But today we're gonna be installing a radium fuel pump hanger that we got with the relay kit that he got as well. And we're also going to be installing a Walbro 450 fuel pump. And here's the fuel pump. That's the part number there. And we're going to get right to it. First of all, we got to take out the seat in the back. Take the seat out in the back. Hold on, all right. So we got some type of rodent here, bro.
I know. It's in the house.
In the house. All right. So you got the seat out. Ponlo acá para que no se ensucie. Ahí está bien, está bien. So these seats have a little tab back here that they have to come out of, and you have to pull on this to release those tabs. Ahorita le pongo el vacuum. I got a vacuum. So now we're gonna have to remove that cover there where the fuel pump is and keep going. Let's get it. All right, we got that cover off. Unplug the actual fuel pump, and now we're gonna have to take out these what's it called, the fuel lines out of it, and clean them up real quick before we do anything. They got all kinds of grime on it, and then we gotta just spray these down with WD-40 and then take them out. Let's get it. All right, guys, so you squeeze these white tabs and you pull them out. There's probably gonna be fuel, a little bit of fuel that you take out, and then you want to do the same thing with the other ones. All right, the fuel lines are out. Now we're taking out the nuts out of there, and we're gonna start getting our fuel pump hanger ready over here. Once we get that out, to install the fuel leveling sensor on this thing. Let's get it. All right, we got the fuel pump hanger out. I already removed this the leveling sensor. We gotta customize that and use one of these plugs to plug into the new unit. We also gotta remove these tabs here for the new pump, and then you just disregard this whole thing. You're not gonna use that anymore, and you're not gonna use this piece anymore. So these are going for sale on Marketplace. If y'all need it, let's go. All right, guys, so we installed the fuel pump on there. Make sure you push that down all the way down, and that to that area right there, flush right there. You can see, tighten everything down. These are the clamps to hold the one side, the one fuel pump on. This has a I think for 2 of them, but we're only gonna install one because we're not going too crazy. We're going crazy, but not too crazy. And then you're gonna slide this piece in there, and then we're gonna install that the hanger. Let's get it. All right, so when you slide this in, you have to slide it in before you slide it all the way in, if it makes sense. So it locks in there, and then you put the bolts in. So you slide it down like this. See how it can slide out, and then you push it all the way up, and you can't take it out. So then you bolt it down. Let's get it, and then you're gonna do the wiring harness in a second. All right, so now we are going to the other way, no?
No, sir.
Yeah. So, like this. Black. Where's the black one? Yep, like that. And just snip it in there. It should click in. You hear it click?
Mm-mm.
Turn it around, there you go, like that. Now it clicked, right?
Yep.
Yep. So there's only one way that goes in. And then you clip them. Oh, they said to twist these. It's alright. So they said to twist the wires before you put them on. No, I'm not sure why, but that's it. Now Radium hanger's ready to go in. It was a little hectic, but we got it in. Let's get it. All right, about to put in the pump in here. As long as it fits, bro. Oh, you talking about these little indents?
Those little indents.
They go to the down. They go down. Just like that, so it doesn't move. Let's slide that in there. Heard it's emerging. It's very tight. Huh. All right, so make sure you guys put it in. This has a thing going that way, so that's how you put it in there. And it should sit right there. But hold on a second. All right, we got it in there. These are flexible. They're really nice. This one's steady. So you put all the bolts out, and the indents on that gasket go up on top here. There's 3 indents, and they only go a certain one way. So when you put that in, make sure you guys get those little indents on the lined up on the little holes that it comes with extra, so you can see. All right, we're wiring the fuel pump now. So I ran the fuse box, the fuse block to the amp that we have in the back from our system already. So I used that, ran it right to the amp. It's 12 power. So now we're joining all of these wiring here. So the fuse block goes to the amp that we have in the back for the stereo. Let me see if I can show you guys. So we put the red going there, and then the black for the ground. And we're just, like I said, hooking this up so we can hook up the relay next for the fuel pump. So this is the relay. So that's what we're doing next. Let's get it. All right, guys, we got this wired in, and that's how you want it. You want the red wire from the relay going to this, to the pump 1 plus, and then the negative from the battery, from the ground, chassis ground, to the negative on here. The blue wire from this harness here that comes out of the connector that's in here, that one goes to that side on to the, I guess you can call it the right side, and then the left side you put the black with the red. Yeah, it's black with red coming out of it, and then the yellow and green wire goes to the blue wire on the relay, and then the red with green goes to the black wire here. So that's how we wire it up, and then we're gonna make this look pretty and finish this job up. Let's get it. All right, so this is how we ran it. We hid the relay back here behind the seat. All these wires gonna stay like that. We zip tied them together. I might add another one here, another zip tie. But yeah, we're gonna put the seat back on, and we already tested the pump, so everything works. But yeah, that's how you do this stuff, guys. Let's get it.